Hey guys, it's James Grafton from fitnessforbusypeople.com.au here. Today I want to discuss common issues regarding middle back stiffness and 2 exercises you can do at home to fix the issue. So the first reason most people experience middle back stiffness is a combination of postural changes, but more likely over a greater amount of time, it tends to be their strength and their poor flexibility, which is what we would coin active flexibility. So to address these issues, you need to implement some kind of exercise for a long-term change. Temporary measures include foam rollers and trigger point balls. However, the effects only last for a few hours, maybe that day. And if you're constantly rolling out or using foam rollers or trigger point balls to restore your normal range of motion, then you need a better solution. So the first exercise is if you do an archer rotation, which is basically where you keep your feet shoulder width apart, your arms at shoulder height, and you basically just pull a bow and rotate all the way till you feel your shoulder blades come together and come back. And if you practice this from side to side, make sure you don't arch your back, so make sure you have your tail tucked slightly and your abdominals on. And all you want to feel is just the movement until you bring your shoulder blades together. So if you do 3 sets of 6 to 8 repetitions each side, 2 or 3 times per week, that'll help out your stiffness. Once you're pretty adept at doing the archer rotations, and the next level that a lot of athletes start at is actually a wall rotation. So all you would do is you put your back to a wall at home, you keep your feet still, they point straight, you put your hand on a wall, make sure your arm is locked, you want to turn into your arm, and you feel pressure on your back, and you bend your elbow, bring your other arm over, and then you do a little rotation on the wall. So similarly, back to the wall, feet stay still, arm stays locked, wind up on the wall, dip the arm, bring the other arm over, and rotate. Try 3 times 6 to 8 repetitions on each side of the wall rotation, 2 or 3 times per week. For most people, these exercises are enough to alleviate long-term middle back stiffness. So have a go and let me know what happens.